In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a clean and modern social media post in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, go to Select and choose Subject to automatically select the subject. Then go to Select again and choose Select and Mask. Enable Decontaminate Colors. Set the amount to 100% and set the output to New Layer with Layer Mask, and click OK. Right-click on the Layer Mask thumbnail and choose Apply Layer Mask. Rename this layer as Subject. Now unhide the background layer and unlock it. Right-click and convert this layer into a smart object, and rename it as Background. Hide the subject layer for now. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over the subject as shown. Select Make Shape. Set the fill to no color. Set the stroke color to white. And set the stroke width to 20 pixels. Hold Ctrl and click on the rectangle layer thumbnail to load its selection. Then press Ctrl, Shift and I to invert the selection. Select the background layer. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 40 pixels, and click OK. Go to Image Adjustments and choose Brightness Contrast, and set the brightness to -30. Again, go to Image Adjustments and choose Hue Saturation, and set the lightness to -32. Unhide the subject layer. Hold Ctrl and click the rectangle layer thumbnail again to load its selection. Select the subject layer and click the Layer Mask button to mask the selected area. Select the Brush tool, then open Brush menu and choose the soft round brush. Make sure this layer mask is selected and the foreground color is set to white. Adjust the brush size using the bracket keys, and brush is shown to unblur the subject. This creates an effect where the subject's upper body appears to pop out of the rectangle. Drag the rectangle layer to the top. Add a layer mask to the rectangle layer. Select the soft round brush. Set the foreground color to black, and brush to erase unnecessary parts of the rectangle stroke as shown. Make sure the top layer is selected, and press Ctrl, Shift, Alt and E to create a merged copy of all visible layers. Convert this merged layer into a smart object. Go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Now apply these settings. Set exposure to -0.20, contrast to 16, highlights -12, clarity 15, vignette -30, and click OK. Drag and drop the plus symbol image onto the canvas. Resize, and place it as shown. Drag and drop the square shape image onto the canvas. Resize and place it as shown. Double-click the square shape image layer to open its layer style. Enable stroke, and adjust the stroke settings as shown to make it more visible. And click OK. Select the Text tool and add text lines as shown. For the text, you can use any font you like. Set the text alignment to right align and resize the text. Change text color to white. Right-click the text and make sure Faux Italic is enabled for a stylish look. Add more text lines. Adjust text size as shown. Add some more text lines. Highlight and select the middle text line and increase the leading to create spacing for a stylish look. Change the color of some words to improve the overall design. Drag and drop the logo image. Resize, and place it as shown. Add a text line next to the logo. Always adjust text color to match the design. Right-click this text and disable Faux Italic. Add another text line below it. Add a brand name text to the right of the logo using a different font. Adjust text size, color, and placement for a better look. Finally, add more text to the top right area and adjust the style as shown. That's it! You've successfully created a social media post in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.